Alright, so now that we've done our mini lesson, I want you to go ahead and do your guided practice. So here is our first practice problem. You're going to use the same steps we did on the mini lesson. So first, find the total. What is your constant? Now remember, the constant is the number that is standing alone. That's what you are adding or subtracting. And then you find what are you looking for. That would be your variable. And then what are you multiplying by. Put those all together and then write your equation. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video and try this practice problem to write your own equation. Once you finish, press play and we will go over it. Alright, so let's go ahead and read our word problem. Then we're going to go ahead and go through our steps to write an equation. Sophia started a lawn mowing business and charges a flat fee of $5 plus $3.50 per hour. If Sophia made $29.50, how many hours did she mow lawns? Alright, so remember, first step is we're going to look through here and find what is our total. So what is the total amount in this problem? It would be how much did Sophia make mowing lawns? So if you go through the problem, our total would be she made $29.50 mowing lawns. So that would be our total. Equals. Step 2, what number was the constant? So what would we be adding or subtracting by? So our constant, the number that stands alone, would be the flat fee of $5. So she charges a flat fee of $5. And the next is, what are we looking for? Well, you are looking for how many hours did she mow the lawn. So that is our variable. We'll put an H for hours. How many hours did she mow the lawn? And she charges $3.50 per hour. So that would be what you are multiplying by. So remember, per means 1. So for every hour she mows, it is $3.50. And for space, I'll just leave off that 0. And that would be our equation from the word problem. So check what I did with what you did and see how you did. Now we're going to go ahead and go on to the second guided practice. Alright, so same thing as the first problem. Whoop, sorry about that. So same thing as the first problem. We're going to figure out, the first part is what is the total, what is the constant, so what are you adding or subtracting, what are we looking for, what is your variable, and what are you multiplying by. Alright, so I want you to go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and try this problem for your guided practice for today. Alright, so now that you've had time to work it out, I'm going to go ahead and read the problem and then check your work with what I do. Alright, Lauren rents a table for $30 the first day, an additional $6 per day. If the cost of the rental came out to $72, how many days did Lauren rent the table? So first step we need to do is find what is the total in this problem. So the total would be for this one would be the cost of the table. So our total would be $72 equals. Now what is our constant? What stands alone would be it costs $30 for the first day, $6 per day after that. So the constant would be the $30. That is what we are adding or subtracting. Okay, we are looking for how many days did she rent the table, so that would be our variable, how many days she rented the table, and the table is $6 per day, so that would be what we are multiplying by. So the equation was 6x plus 30 equals 72. All right, now I want you guys to go ahead and move on to the independent practice. If you have any questions, please email your teacher and make sure you find their Google Meets times. Have a good one.